Today's video, we're tackling a big question. Is this whole idea of passive income just a scam? There's certainly no shortage of courses and gurus out there promising quick riches from passive revenue streams. But can it really work, or is it all hype? Stick around as I separate fact from fiction on this important topic. Exodus Capital is your premier destination for financial education on YouTube. Think of us as the Netflix of financial knowledge, delivering a diverse range of content that covers real estate, investing, two-row car rental investments, e-commerce businesses, and much more. Our channel is your one-stop shop for gaining valuable insights into the world of finance, and we're here to help you multiply your income with an exclusive call to action that can supercharge your financial journey. Stay tuned for expert advice, tips, and strategies that will empower you to achieve your financial goals. Subscribe to Exodus Capital now and embark on a path to financial success. What is passive income? First, a quick definition. Passive income is earnings from a business, investment, or other endeavor that requires little to no day-to-day effort to sustain. The key distinction from active income, like a 9-to-5 job, is that passive revenue streams essentially run themselves after the initial work of setting them up. Some common examples include rental property income, ebook sales, affiliate marketing, YouTube ad revenue, stock dividends, and more. But can this hands-off ideal actually work? Well, let's dig into the details. Upfront effort required. Here's the truth. All passive income does require significant effort up front. Building an income stream from nothing takes time, knowledge, skill, and patience. Anyone selling overnight success is likely misleading you. That said, with smart strategies, the workload can become minimal eventually. A well-run rental property can be mostly hands-off. YouTube videos keep generating ad revenue indefinitely. The key is leverage. Put in the hard work early on to build systems and assets that produce income later. It's not entirely passive. Even on cruise control, passive income takes some maintenance. A rental needs occasional repairs and management. Affiliate sites require updating content. YouTube analytics should be checked. Rather than completely passive, most income streams morph into semi-passive over time. Relatively automatic, but still requiring occasional effort. The goal is earning substantial income each month for minimal ongoing work. Have realistic expectations. Building passive revenue doesn't happen overnight. Patience and dedication are required over months or years to see meaningful earnings. Be wary of any guru promising quick millions for little work. Starting passive income as a side project that steadily grows is usually the path to success. Keep your day job at first